Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 6. Okay, so students, in a class 6, yesterday I told you about the keywords and I given you some keywords for the learning. Okay, so 10 keywords I told you, and I also explained you about the keywords of the lesson 15. Okay, so today in this video I'm just going to telling you about the exercise of the chapter 15. And what is the name of chapter 15? The name of chapter 15 is a water and it's important. Yeah. So here let's remember the two question is given. First one, that is the match of the following, and second one is the true and a false. Okay, so students, firstly you have to do this, and only you have to do this in a book. Okay, you have to fill this in a book. So here I am telling you answer, you have to fill. Clear? So first one is a match of the following. Sorry. So students, I told you firstly, always remember student, when you write the match the following in your copy, so always write answer in before of the questions given below. Okay, don't try to be match. Clear? So here the first option is first one is a 97% of a water. So its answer is a salt water. As I told you, the amount of what is the percentage of salt water in our earth, so that is a 97% of a water. Clear? So this answer is a 97% of a water. Its answer is salt water. Now the second is artificial watering. So in my last video I told you what is the irrigation. Irrigation is the artificial watering to the plant for the growing. So its answer is a artificial watering. Its answer is irrigation. Okay. Now the third one is a transpiration. Clear? So transpiration is a process, as I told you, from the plant tissue, yeah, from the plant parts, leaves, the water is secreted by in the form of a water vapor, that is known as a transpiration, and transpiration is found in a plant's leaf. So its answer is a plants. Clear? Now the fourth one is a drought. What is a drought? So as I told you, the drought is a such type of a condition in which that when the too much lack of a water is occur, the raining is not happen, and there is a very less amount of a water in the water bodies, then what will be happen, then the drought will be happen, and lots of a person affected from it, and its answer is a famine. Okay. Now the flood, you know, but the too much water is occurring because of the climatic conditions, then this will be formed as the flood. And what is the answer of flood? Is the epidemic. Epidemic, how we can say that epidemic? Epidemic is the epidemic. What is the epidemic? It is a process by which the same time, same condition, the lots of peoples, lots of properties will be affected by any disaster. Okay, that is the epidemic. Then after your second question is true and false. So first one is that the highest percentage of a water is needed for a domestic needs. So this is a false, because of domestic needs के लिए only 22% water is necessary. Now the 22 or 8% of a water. Okay, 8% of water. Now a lot of a water escape into the atmosphere through condensation. So lots of water escape into the atmosphere through the condensation. This is a water escape into the atmosphere through condensation. This is true. Okay. A lot of water escape into the atmosphere through condensation. Now third one is the water cycle involve only evaporation and condensation. So water cycle involve evaporation and condensation both, as well as cloud formation, that is condensation and evaporation, and precipitation also. So this is a false. Now fourth one is a famine is a type of a disease affecting thousands of a people at the same time. So this is a false. Okay. Now this is your answer. You have to write. Clear? True, false, you have to once check. I have here written. These all. What is a famine? Is a type of a disease affecting thousands of a people. That is epidemic, not a famine. Clear? So this is all about our today's class, and this is ending of my today's class. I will take your live class, then you will have, if you have any queries, so you can tell me. Clear? Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.